Well, good morning. A little bit has definitely changed in the shop area here. I mean, like definitely. As you can see, we got a big wide open spot here. Hopefully that won't be for long though. Have a couple different projects coming up actually. Oh, my buddy. Where'd he go? Overexposed. Maybe he'll come back around. So anyway, got some rewiring to do on the mini mill today a little bit. Picked up some nice lights here yesterday at a flea market. High pressure sodium. Oh, there we go. Oh, where you go, little bird? So anyway, those are my shop pets. I don't think they consider themselves pets. Where'd he go? He didn't want to hang out. Oh. It's kind of disconcerting though, sitting in here and seeing things like fly around your head. There you go. Anyway, he'll be back. They'll be back. Oh, what else to do today? Anyway, I need to get a little bit of rewiring done on the mill. I think I might start on actually start getting some actual output on this guy right here. And the next step is going to be, in all reality, is do some hookup on the control box here. Well, actually getting this guy off, extending the wires out. Extending the wires like way over to here. As you can see, I screwed that up, as in a former video I said I was gonna put my standoffs on the side here, and well, of course, in my haste to mount this guy one very, very hot day also, I fudged up and got it mounted, so now I need to pull it off and slide it over a few inches and remount it, which is, I mean, it's not a big deal because that control board in there will be jerked out anyway. So anyway, I picked up this is from a national chain tool store. These guys are actually pretty freaking decent. I mean, like, I was very impressed. Can't complain, cannot complain one bit. Now, I already had a set of these guys, and they do fraction, millimeter, and decimal, and I was happy with them. So anyway, I picked up another one of those guys for me so that I could give my son his first calipers, and these are his right here. So real soon in the near future, I'm gonna be starting on the aluminum frame build milling machine, and that's gonna have at least a 1 foot by 1 foot travel. I'm also going to be starting the full rework of this this beast right here. This is the BD12 lathe, and it's a little bit rough at this point, but it is an awesome little lathe. It's an awesome little machine. It totally spanks the crap out of the 7X lathes that are, you know, like 80 pounds. I think this guy is like 250 pounds. It's like, well, not anymore because I got a lot of it stripped off. But the mass there is just, it's stupid crazy for a little machine it is. And I'm considering some options for that. Anyway, I got the variable frequency drive ordered yesterday for the ball door motor. I need to get quite a bit smaller belt, because you can see, I mean, that's tight. Yeah, a heck of a time getting that on there. I'm sorry, a little bit longer belt. I guess I could also move the whole motor assembly in a little bit. But at the time I did that, I had no mill whatsoever, so it was just a hack and slash type of operation. Anyway, I'm ready to get that thing going. So I'll have to order a ball screw. I'm going to be using THK style linear rails for the cross slide, and I'm going to be making it much longer so that I can use gang tooling and in the future an actual turret along with gang tooling. So it'll have a gang tool station and a turret station, and I may even look into doing a forward feed gang station. And the next step on that will then probably be to, realistically, it'll probably be to take this guy right here and fully incorporate it into that guy out there, or just completely redo new components. The goal is going to be to have full multi-axis CNC live machining. So that'll be some tricky stuff. So look out for that. That should be interesting and fun. I don't think I'll be able to do a sub spindle. I mean, I've really been looking around, and there's just doesn't seem to be too many decent options to do automatic collet closing and opening, not collet, chuck close and open on these little lathes. I mean, trust me, I've been looking into it, and I just don't really see viable do-it-yourself options yet. That being said, I'm sure there's some automatic chucks out there that would be viable. The problem with something, say, with this 7X and even with the 8X is, well, the through hole. So anyway, back to the aluminum frame mill build. We have 3 different types of aluminum framing sizes, actually, I should say. We have a 1.5, it's actually 40 millimeter. We have this little open rail, and then we have some standard 1-inch T-slot aluminum framing. What we'll end up doing is using a combination of the 3 of them to make as rigid, lightweight, and resonance resistant framing assembly as possible. The overall goal is to get at least a 12-inch by 12-inch by 12-inch cutting area. It'll use full THK style linear guideways with ball screws possibly multiple ball screws per axis, but then I'm going to end up linking ball screws with belts, and I really don't know that I like that idea. And or having multiple motors per axis, and I'm not really 100% sold on that idea either. So there's some definite things that need to be considered and thought about. I am going to start doing my workups and designs within the next few days here, get more into it. I'm also in the next few days here, now that I have a small amount of time, since you can see the area here is open, and I don't know how long I'll have this time for, to continue work on the large format 500 millimeter cubed 3D printer, and we're going to be shooting for a 5 extruder machine build there, possibly more, but that'll actually come at a later date. Yeah, possibly 5 extruder. I'd like to use the 4 extruder Kraken head with a large build volume, multiple colors, and support material. And again, I have quite a bit of the T-slot extruded framing, so we'll just kind of see. So anyway, we'll shut up for now, and let me get back to work, and I will get some more stuff posted out later.